Well, I made it back to the pond. It is definitely green, and I don't see any fish swell or anything in it, but that doesn't mean there isn't. But, it's green. It's a lot green. We have a fairly healthy population of bullfrogs out here, so there might be something in it. And I found that we have more buildings. There's one right down here. There's another one back over there. I have no idea what they are. I haven't made it down that far yet. I just now got out to the pond. But see this big trail right here? That's a deer trail. Guess where I'm going to be hunting at? Hey Jackie, you said you wanted cedar for fence posts. I tell you what, if you come out here by the pond, you can cut all the cedars for fence posts you want, dude, because they need to be off the edge of this berm here or they'll tear it up eventually. I worked myself all the way around to the back side of the pond, and I found another building. Not been in it yet, not sure I want to. Well, looks like it was a hog house or a cattle house or something. Got something laying over here. I did see that we got a metal feeder back over that way. I'll have to work my way back that way. But I'm almost into the north corner meadow over here. This place is completely covered with first year blackberry canes. That means next year this is going to be so full of fruit. It's amazing. Look, I found another fence. I'm east of the pond, down the hill. There's that metal feeder I told you. I'm gonna get over here and take a look at it. So far I haven't seen any creepy crawlies out here. All kinds of deer and deer prints though. But yeah, that's a nice metal feeder. And more fence that way. And the other building, one of them. Alright, we got another feeder over there. The first one's back over that way. You can't really see it. But we got hog houses over there. We got another building here. And we have a grapevine, a wild grape growing out of the ground here that is about 6 inches in diameter at the bottom there. That's pretty good size. Oh look, another building. I'm way down in the bottoms on the east side of the pond. That metal gate there has been laying down there so long. It's got a 10-inch cedar tree growing through the framing of it. Actually, it's got two of them. There's a 5-inch behind it. Another feeder. That right there is one of the biggest cedar trees I've seen in a long time. And so is the one right next to it. No, that's not a cedar. The one right next to it's an Osage orange.